Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the hidden setting that automatically allows follow requests from people you have already followed. This process is extremely straightforward, so let's jump right in. So if you have a private profile, you know the struggle of manually approving every single request, even from friends you just followed. So this particular setting fixes that by automating the approval for connections. So first, we need to get to your account. So what you do is open your Instagram application, then click on your profile at the bottom right-hand side corner. Now, once you are there, look at the three lines at the top right-hand side corner, and from the menu that pops up, simply go to the section called Settings and Privacy. If you are unable to find the exact setting, you can also look for an option called How Others Can Interact with You, or Follow and Invite Friends, which you can see right over here. So if you see one of these options, you simply click on that. Now, this is where the magic will happen. Depending on the region and your account type, you should be able to see a specific toggle option. So look for an option labeled Automatically Confirm Anyone You Follow. So if you see this option, just simply enable it like this, as you can see right over here. And the moment you do this, it'll automatically approve all the people that have requested to follow you. This will entirely skip the request approval phase for your mutual friends as well, so they don't have to wait for your approval. It makes connection back and forth much smoother as well. So that's it. Now you can build your own mutual connections faster without constantly checking your notification tab. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.